My name is Natasha Mosberger, and I'm going to be doing a kidney dissection for Bio 221 Lab 2. So we have the kidney here that I cut frontally, and the callus is this right here, right there, and that is a cup-like division found in the renal medulla. So obviously the renal medulla is right there, so that would make sense. And then here is the hilus, right here, and that is the depression where the renal artery, renal vein, and ureter enter and exit into the kidney. Right next to that, we have the renal artery, which is right here. And the renal artery branches from the aorta and supplies the kidney with oxygen. And then right here would be the renal vein, and that exits the blood through the vein from the kidney, filtering out the deoxygenated blood. Next is the renal capsule, which is right here, and that is dense connective tissue that protects the kidney and helps shape the kidney's form. And then the renal cortex is right here, and the renal cortex is the outer region of the kidney. Next, we have the renal medulla, which is, you can see it better on this one, which is right here in between the pyramids. And while we're talking about the renal medulla is the inner portion of the kidney in between those pyramids. The renal pyramids are these right here, each location, and those are cone-shaped structures found in the medulla with its base facing the cortex. And the renal papillae is just the base of the pyramid down here on these, or like so that. The kidney's ureter is right here, this tube, and that is going to go in right here. And that tube connects the kidney to the urinary bladder. The renal pelvis is this portion right here. And the renal pelvis is the large cavity that receives urine from the calyces. And the final portion is the renal lobe, which is this whole section right in here. And the renal lobe consists of the pyramid, the cortex, the pyramid base, and part of the renal column.